Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make diamond biscuit, sweet diamond biscuit and salt diamond biscuit, that is Namak Pare and Shakkar Pare at your home for Diwali. So for this recipe here I'm going to take 1 cup of maida. So here I am adding 1 cup of maida. For 1 cup of maida, I am going to add half a cup of powdered sugar. And in this, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder. It gives a nice flavor. So here I am adding 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder. This recipe is for kids, guys. They will definitely love this recipe. They will like this dish for Diwali. And so this is done. And in this, I am going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. So here I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. It gives a nice crisp in this biscuit, guys. So that's why we are adding the butter. So this is done and I am going to mix all these things together. And I am going to add little bit of water to make a smooth dough. So can you see, guys, here my dough is ready for Shakkar Pare. And what I am going to do, I am going to start rolling this with the rolling pin. Then we have to fry. So I added 1/4 cup of water to make a smooth dough. Hey guys, take a small portion of dough and I added some flour in the board. What I'm going to do, I'm going to roll this one with the rolling pin in a round shape. And I'm going to cut this one in a shape with the help of knife. So I added the biscuit in the oil and we have to fry this one until it becomes dark brown and crisp, guys. So yeah, so it will take 1 to 2 minutes. So can you see, guys, it started becoming light brown in color. So I removed this Shakkar Pare from the oil, guys. Can you see the color, how it looks? So this is the perfect color of this diamond biscuit. So yeah, so I'm making more biscuits and it's time to make the salt biscuit, that is the Namak Pare. For this, I took 1 cup of maida and I added some butter, and it's time to add some salt because we are making the salt version. So salt up to your taste, and into this I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, and here I am adding some red chili powder and a little bit of cumin seeds. It gives a nice taste in this Namak Pare. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water to make a smooth dough. So can you see guys, my dough is ready for the salt version, and it's time to make the diamond shape. So I cut this one in a diamond shape and I'm going to fry this one in the oil. So here is my salt biscuit guys, and that is Namak Pare. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make Shakkar Pare and Namak Pare for Diwali at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.